This easy TikTok page gained over 150,000 followers in just 45 videos. Basically, the TikTok creativity program is literally breaking the algorithm with its creator rewards program in 2025. People are making more than $3,000 a month, even in their first month of joining the program. And in this video, I will show you the entire process of how they achieved it. But first, let's take a look at what they are creating.
I am the reason for the disappearance of thousands of children in Alaska. Hello, I am a Kalupiliuit, a creature from Inuit mythology.
So basically, they are explaining real-life horror stories, and what's insane is that they all did it with the help of AI. The good part is that most of their videos are gaining thousands of views. Some of their videos even got millions of views. So in this video, I will show you all the exact same process of how to create such scary videos. But before I proceed, I must mention that the TikTok creativity program is now known as Creator Rewards Program and is currently limited to certain countries like Brazil, France, and Korea. So in order to get a UK TikTok account from any part of the world, visit the website linked in the description. There, you can purchase a UK TikTok account, and while checking out, simply use the code profit.hustlers for a pleasant surprise. Now, let's get into the main process. So, in order to create a real-life horror animated video, we need to find scary tales that are based on real scary incidents. For that, simply visit Google and search for real-life horror stories, then hit enter. There, you can see many results. Open any website you like. For the demonstration purpose, I would be opening the first link. Search for the stories that you find interesting. Look through them all and pick your favorite. Personally, I like this story. Once your story is selected, simply open a new Google Docs and copy-paste your selected story completely in it. But remember, simply copying the story from Google won't work. To make our story more engaging and scary, I would be using my best friend ChatGPT. Once you are in, simply tell Chatbot that you are going to give a real-life scary story, and the Chatbot needs to convert that story into a more engaging and interesting story script. Also, instruct the Chatbot not to use the complex words. Now, this is a very important and crucial part. Tell the Chatbot to convert the story as a first-person perspective. As you can see, the Chatbot gave us an outstanding result. Once the script is ready, we will convert it into a voiceover. For that, simply visit 11 Labs. It has the best text-to-speech options provided. There, simply visit the Voices option. Then, go to the Voice Library. You'll find hundreds of professional voices available. Choose any that you like. As you know, our storyteller is a girl, so I will use the gender and age filter options to find the perfect voice that would resonate completely with our storyteller. Once the voice is selected, simply copy-paste your story from ChatGPT into 11 Labs and then click here. In a few seconds, the voiceover would be ready. Now that our voiceover is ready, it's time to create the talking avatar that will narrate our story. To do this, visit the Leonardo AI website and select the Lightning XL model for generation. Then, paste the prompt to generate your character. By the way, you can generate the prompt with the help of ChatGPT. Since we're making a short video, choose the 9:16 ratio, and from the Alchemy drop-down menu, select the cinematic option. After applying all the settings, click on the Generate button, and within a few moments, you'll receive some remarkable images. Once you've found the most suitable image, download it. I will be downloading this image, as it seems to be the most appropriate image from all. Now it's time to animate our character into a talking avatar. For that, simply visit the website Studio DID. There, click on the Create button and select the video option. Once you are in Upload Your Character, then upload the voiceover of your short animated video. After that, hit Generate, and in a few moments, your talking avatar would be ready. Now it's time to bring in all the assets together. We would be using CapCut, a free editing software. Just sign up for a free account and you are good to go. As you can see, we have imported all the assets into the timeline. To get started, simply drop the talking avatar that we generate from Studio DID into the timeline. After that, bring in the first image into the timeline and synchronize it according to the voiceover. Make sure the picture matches up with what's being said. To add a moving effect, drag the cursor at the start of the image and add a keyframe. Now, Move the cursor to the end of the image, add another keyframe, and play with the positions a bit. As you can see, this will give a nice moving effect to that image. Repeat this step for all other images. Once all the images are synchronized perfectly according to VoiceOver, bring in the background music into the timeline and make sure to trim it perfectly according to the canvas. Also apply a fade-out effect for a smooth ending. Don't forget to lower its volume, because high volume can cause disturbance for the viewer. The next step is to add sound effects like creepy sounds, scary wind noises, or sinister female laugh to make the video more scary. You can also add different effects into the video, like I added the lightning effect. To give it a professional touch, you can add lightning sound effects to it. As you can see, our video is completed. Let's take a look at the final result.
This was the time when our lives became hell. We received a seemingly innocent Christmas gift one fateful year, a Disney's Frozen Elsa doll. You'd think a gift like that would bring nothing but joy, right? But boy, were we wrong. At first, everything seemed normal. The kids were over the moon with their new toy. But as days turned into weeks, strange things started happening. The Elsa doll seemed to have a life of its own, moving from room to room when nobody was looking. Then came that cold December night. We made a decision to get rid of the doll once and for all. We tossed it out with the trash, hoping to be done with it, but fate had other plans. Weeks passed, and just when we thought we were safe, Elsa returned. Not in the hands of a child, but lurking in the shadows of our living room, tucked away inside a forgotten bench. We were terrified. How could the doll have come back? And that's when things took a truly eerie turn. Elsa's once sweet voice turned sinister. Instead of singing her usual tunes, she spoke in a language we couldn't understand. We threw her out again, buried deep within the garbage, but even that couldn't keep her away. And so, the tale of the haunted Elsa doll continues to haunt us. For once you invite darkness into your home, it's not so easy to let it go.
I hope you liked this video. If you do, please leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.